everyone, I'm Balaj. So I'm going to explain Baseline Modernizer. So it's a VS Code extension tool. So this will help the JavaScript and TypeScript developers to identify, to analyze their code and then get the what are the legacy patterns, web features they are using in their project, and then what is the recommended five phase of modernization to modernize their legacy application web features to modern web features, and browser compatibility matrix, and what are the used features, and with the real-time matrix, and it is also will show what are the list of modern features has been used in the project. So this is extension has been installed locally. So now I can walk you through how to execute the command. So now uh, um, in this file, go to show and run commands, or use Control Shift P. So these are the file list of commands the baseline extension will provide. So we start with the analysis file. So analysis file, when you run, so this has to be in the supported file type, either TypeScript, JavaScript, HTML, or CSV file. So once analysis has been done, you will get a pop-up. So the next command is analyze the project. So analysis project will analyze the entire project. So you will get a pop-up. So once it is done, you can view a dashboard, or you can generate the report as well. So if I click the generate, so it will give the markdown file for me what has been analyzed. So the next thing is show metrics. So if I click show metrics, so you will be seeing like the what are the things has been done, like what is the metrics file analysis, and then what are the issues has been found. So you will get a pop-up, or you can view the dashboard to get the detailed things. So I will show you the dashboard later. So the next is generate documentation. So based on the analysis, you can have a report. So generate documentation will give you the detailed reports. So here, what are the things has been the key metrics, and then what are the legacy patterns has been used, and available modernization alternatives, like what are the things are available, what is a high priority, and you will get a analysis history. So whenever what are the times it has been the analysis has been done. And the very important thing is, based on your project, like the developing project, what is the browser support metrics, like which browser is most compatible in order to view your application, and what is the recommended next step you need to focus on to improvise these things. So this is a report from the this is a documentation, auto generate document from the baseline tool, and the dashboard. So if you click the show dashboard, or you will have a pop-up view dashboard. So you can use either of the things. So if you miss the pop-up, you can use the baseline show dashboard. So the dashboard will have a most detailed and comprehensive informations, like how many files has been analyzed, how many issues has been found, what are the things the fix can be applied, and what is the progress level. The progress level is like modernization phase, and I will show you that based on that the percentage will be given. So you will have a refresh. So whenever you are doing a multiple analysis, so you can have a refresh to update the things here. So or you can reset the value as well. So if you want to do a fresh analysis, so the most used legacy features, like in your code, these are the things, like list of the things which is high priority. These are the things has been used in my code, and my browser compatibility overview. So Chrome is excellent, and I need to work on the browsers so that the user experience will be improvised. So the below thing is like baseline web features available. So here the list of web features available. So you can select view all the features, or you can go by individual JavaScript. So what are the things so widely used? So you can adapt these things to your code. So this is the recommendation. So you will have you will know what improvisation you can do for your project next. And then below is the modernization timeline. So based on the assessment, like what are the things as the legacy features has been highlighted. So it already done something. So improvisation already done. So you can work, and then this will be updated. So you will have a list of the things. And what is a smart recommendation, like what are the things. So you can apply the fix, or you can view the analysis, and you can view the alternate solution for using the float. You are using the float in your code, so 18 times it is appearing. So what is the alternative, best alternative you can do? And adaptation, the modern more features, baseline features, so you can also export those things. And so the below is the total futures has been what are the total futures has been used, and what is widely available futures. This is from the baseline statistics of the project, and we will be listing. So this is a detailed dashboard. So I also published the project in the Microsoft VS Code extension. So this is a baseline modernizer. So you can download and install directly from the extension or from the marketplace. Um, Thank you. Thank you for that.